I were the chief PNP, tapos ganun, lilipad ako right there and then, liliparin ko, pupuntahan ko sa Misamis Occidental at pagsisipain ko yung mga opisyal na yon. Nakita mo ba, there's a breakdown of discipline. That's insubordination, plain and simple. Ha? Civilian.
Villanueva, sir.
Kayo yung nagpapakontrol sa civilian, incident commander. Magpaalam ito si Chief PNP na may lakad. Tatanungin ko na ito muna. Totoo yung sinasabi nandito sa pidabit ng abogado nila ni Dumanhog, Mayor Dumanhog, na tumatawag ka daw sa cellphone through the cellphone of the lawyer. Sino yung lawyer na yun?
Ako po, Senator. Attorney Regine Gallego po.
Ay, Attorney Gallego.
Yes po.
Is it true na tumawag ka kay Chief PNP, tapos kinausap mo yung si Sumagang, medyo Sumagang at si Bienes na kausapin daw ni Chief PNP?
Yes po.
Tapos, hindi sila, ayaw nilang kausapin yung Chief PNP nila?
Yes po. At that time po, I called the Chief PNP to pacify the situation because everything was so, yung magulo na po talaga at that time. So I seek the assistance kung ano po yung situation at that time of the PNP. So nakausap ko po yung Chief PNP, si General Acorda, and that at that time I told him that, sir, bakit ayaw ng mga pulis palapitan si Mayor ng mga lawyer at saka ng family? And General Acorda answered, that is the constitutional right of Mayor Dumanhog. And he said that kakausapin niya kung sino yung assign at that time, and so sabi ko si Chief Sumagang, he is the head of the local chief police. So hinanap ko si Chief Sumagang, pumunta po ako sa kanilang station because malayo pa akong at that time, nasa municipal hall ako, naglakad ako going to the police station, and ang nadatnan ko po doon was Deputy Bienes, and there were two police full gear, naka-full. Okay, I'll continue pa. Naka-full gear po sila, a high-powered firearm, full gear, and Deputy Bienes was there. And then I said that General Acorda is on the line, makikipag-usap siya kay Chief Sumagang. And sabi ni Deputy, at that time na nandun sa second floor. So, pumunta siya sa second floor. It took few minutes. Even General Acorda asked, ano ba, wala pa bang tao dyan? And I answered nga, wala pa po. Ay siya, sino bang nandyan? And I said, may dalawa pa pong pulis na nandito po. Anong mga pangalan? And then I asked, no, but they will not answer. So a few minutes after, Deputy Bienes, bumaba na siya sa second floor. And he said that Chief Sumagang is busy. He will not answer the call. So I told General Acorda nga, sir, busy po ang sagot. Sabi ni Chief Sumagang, General Acorda na, sige, kung sino na lang ang nandyan, kakausapin ko. And I said, Deputy, makikipag-usap sa'yo si General. Ang sagot sa akin ni Deputy at that time was a hand signal at biglang tumakbo sa second floor. So sinabihan ko po nirelay ko po yung message kay General Acorda. Then after few minutes din po at that time, umakyat na rin po yung dalawang naka-full battle gear na mga police. And then wala nang tao doon sa baba ng police station. So sabi ni General, sige, puntahan mo sa taas para makausap ko sila. So pumunta po ako ng second floor, but hanggang hagdan lang din po kasi yung dalawang police na naka-full battle gear, nandun na sila at nakaharang sila. So considering that I noticed na kung may papasok doon sa second floor, they will anong tawag yan? They will give way. But kung ako mong nandun, they will just block yung sa daanan. So I told them that General Acorda is on the line, makikipag-usap siya kay Chief Sumagang. So happened po at that time na nandun, lumabas si Deputy Bienes, nakita niya ako dun sa hagdan at bigla naman siyang bumalik sa room kung saan siya galing. So that is also the situation at that time po.
Thank you. General Acorda, do you confirm that this conversation with Attorney Gallego took place?
Yes, Your Honor. That's why I immediately called the director of Proten to make sure that if there are other lines of contact, because it appears to my impression, as we had a conversation with the attorney, it seems that everybody is afraid to talk with me and wanted to really avoid or evade conversation. So finally, I was able to contact also the PD, and we were told that none of
Breakdown of discipline. Ganun na kayo, may sarili kayong command. Hindi na kayo nagtitake orders ng National Headquarters. May sariling command na yung Miss Oak Provincial Police Office. Ganun ang gusto nyo palabasin?
no, sir.
Wala akong wala akong kinakatigan dito. Ang akin lang is ma-maintain, ma-preserve yung integrity and discipline of the Philippine National Police. Yan ang gusto ko because it breaks my heart na makita ko yung kapulisan na kung sino-sino na lang ang gumagamit ng pulis, ginagamit ang pulis, tapos yun, at the expense of the discipline, state of discipline ng kapulisan. Yun ang ayaw ko mangyari. Ikaw, alam ko, may bumabagabag sa isip ninyo, bakit na ganun ang nangyari? Chief PNP. Putang na. Tell it to the Marines. Tell it to the Capgo. Kung yun ang rason ninyo na nagdududa kayo kung Chief PNP yun. Tell it to the Marines. Pasensya na, pero I am very disgusted because I was once the Chief PNP. Alam ko, kahit na patrolman yan to the 3-star general, if I am the head of the organization, lahat yan sumusunod sa akin at natatakot yan kung hindi ako kausapin. Pero kayo, iniiwasan niyo, Chief PNP niyo, ganun ka na kahina, General Acorda, hindi mo kayang hawakan yung organization mo.
No, sir. That's why I subjected for investigation, and the IDM was properly instructed after that incident, sir, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair.
Yes,
Mr.
sir,
Chairman. General Horta, bakit hindi kayo dumiretsong tumawag dito sa mga pulis mo?
I did, sir. In fact, I've been calling them many times, and the only person that I was able to call is the RD because I was told that their cell phone was confiscated, sir.
Who confiscated their cell phones? Who confiscated your cell phones?
Sir, the cell phones of the PNP personnel of Bonifacio, sir, was being torn over to the incident commander that time, sir, police.
Why was it?
Then, Brigadier General
Civilian?
Villanueva, sir.
Kayo yung nagpapakontrol sa civilian incident commander?
Hindi naman
Anong klaseng operasyon yun?
Yes, sir. Hindi naman sa ganun, sir.
Their cell phones, all their cell phones were confiscated by the head of the implementing team, who is a civilian, and it's only...
Ang pulis, dinisarmahan ng cellphone ng civilian?
That's what the chief of police had told me, and the alibi when I was able to contact him.
Sino yun?
Your Honor.
Sino nagsabi nun?
Major Sumagang, Your Honor.
Sumagang.
So, after updating me of the situation and having talked with him, I berated him a little for not answering my call, and with that, sir, I gave instruction to Proten to make sure that he is on top of the situation and everything is monitored, to include the provincial director, whom I was able to contact on the latter part, Your Honor.
Mabuti ka, mabait ka pa na Chief PNP. If I were the Chief PNP, tapos ganon, hindi ako kausapin ng tao ko, lilipad ako right there and then, liliparin ko, pupuntahan ko sa Misamis Occidental at pagsisipain ko yung mga opisyal na yon na ayaw akong kausapin. Totoo yan. Nakita mo ba, there's a breakdown of discipline pagdating sa ganong sitwasyon? That's insubordination, plain and simple. The Chief PNP, ayaw ko usapin ng kanyang Chief of Police sa munisipyo. Sumagang, will you answer? Bakit ayaw mo kausapin Chief PNP mo?
Sir, with due respect, sir. Sir, during the implementation, sir, during the briefing, sir, lahat po ng sir, para the leaking of information, sir, ma-prevent po natin, sir. Lahat po kami, sir, wala po kaming cellphone na dala.
Yun nga, wala nga cellphone. Cellphone nga ni attorney, ibibigay sa iyo para kausapin ka. Bakit ayaw mo siyang sagutin? Chief PNP is waiting for you.
Yes, sir, hindi ko po alam yung conversation between the attorney, sir, and my deputy, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir, kasi nandun po
Bienes.
ako, sir.
Do you confirm na nag-usap kayo ni attorney Gallego?
Yes, sir. Your Honor, with your respect, good morning. Yes, sir. At that time, sir, by distance lang po kami nagkausap. Hindi totally conversation, sir. But yun na yung sinabi na attorney, sir. Totoo po yun, sir. Kaya yung sinabi na attorney, sir, na umakyat ako, sir, kasi may instruction kasi binigay sa amin, sir, na isa lang yung maging spokesperson, sir. Isa lang yung...
Hindi naman spokesperson, Chief PNP mo ang kakausap sa inyo.
Yes, sir.
Sa Chief of Police mo, hindi media.
Yes, sir.
Chief PNP.
Yes, sir.
Chairman,
Bakit sinabihan mo na ayaw kausapin?
Chairman, may I interject?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
Kasi pag nagbigay sa'yo, lawyer nung kalaban, maniniwala ka ba na chief PNP yun? Di ba? Ang kalaban
Yes, ma'am.
mo, bibigay sa'yo telepono at sasabihin chief PNP yun. Baka hindi sila naniniwala na chief PNP yun kasi telepono lang yun eh.
So,
Dapat ang chief PNP tumawag mismo sa ano. Paano nila paniniwalaan na chief PNP yun eh, dala ng kalaban? Di ba?
yes, ma'am.
So,
But
dapat ang chief PNP tumawag mismo sa mga pulis at siya mismo nakipag-usap para maniwala sila na chief PNP yung nakikipag-usap sa kanila. Otherwise, miski ako, ibibigay sa akin ng telepono, sasabihin niya chief PNP. How will I know na chief PNP nga yung kinakausap ko?
yes, ma'am.
You
I
can
got your point.
pretend, di ba?
Yes, ma'am.
You can pretend. Dapat chief PNP, ikaw ang tumawag sa mga sa mga pulis para alam nila na ikaw mismo ang tumawag, wag yung lawyer ng kabila. Kasi may problema yun eh.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. But Captain Bienes, did you believe na hindi si Chief PNP yung nasa cellphone ni Attorney Gallego? Naniwala ka na hindi Chief PNP yun?
Sir, at first, sir, hindi talaga ako kasi through cellphone yun, sir, eh.
Ha?
Kasi siya man lang yung nagsabi, sir, na si Chief PNP is online. So, paano ko ma-confirm, sir, kung si totoong
Pero-
Chief PNP, sir?
My goodness. My goodness.
Yes, sir.
Kung ako tenyente or kapitan, kahit sino pa yan, may hawak ng cellphone, whether kalaban or terorista ba yan o sino, kung magsabi Chief PNP, gusto kang kausapin, magkapakapa ko nung,
Yes, sir.
nakausapin ko because I respect the chain of command.
Yes, sir.
Talagang magkapakapa ko, kausapin ko yan. Kahit sinong nagbigay sa akin cellphone, kausapin ko. Pero in your case, bakit ka umiiwas? Ayaw mong ipakausap si sumagang sa Chief PNP.
Sir, yung makita ko sa itaas, sir, kasi ako ng advisor to my provincial director din, sir, na sinabi ko, sir, na the Chief PNP is in line. Gusto makausap si Chief of Police, my Chief of Police, sir.
Oh,
And then, yung nasabi ni provincial director ko, sir, na kung si Chief PNP talaga yan, direkta yan magkatawag sa akin. Yun yung, sir, yun yung pinaghahawakan ko na instruction, sir.
sino pili? Yes. Pati ikaw nagdududa na hindi si Chief PNP yung nasa cellphone ng abogado?
Sir, good morning po, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
I am Police Colonel Marlon Kimno, sir, the Provincial Director of Misamis Occidental Police Provincial Office. Sir, there was no intention, sir, that I will not or we will not answer the Chief PNP. There are two factors, sir, that was able to prevent us from answering in the first place, sir. One, sir, is nung una po, sir, kasi po yung sa police po, sir, pag talaga po, sir, na merong kakausap, like for example, sir, yung RD, yung Chief PNP, ano kami, sir, yung parang totoo ba kaya ito?
Ay, huwag mo akong bulahin, ha?
Yes, sir.
Halata nabubula ka sa akin, eh. Ha? Nag-retire ako as Chief PNP. Alam ko yan.
Yes, sir.
Ha? Gumagawa ka pa ng rason. Huwag mo akong bulahin. Dahil alam ko yan. Saan ka ba kumukuha ng sweldo?
Sa PNP, sir.
Hindi sa provincial government ng Miss Ok, di ba?
No, sir. Sa PNP, sir.
Sa PNP ka.
Yes, sir.
So your loyalty is where?
To the PNP, sir.
To the PNP.
Yes, sir.
So sino ang chief ng PNP?
Police General Acorda, sir.
O bakit hindi nyo kausapin? Gusto kayo kausapin? What prevented you? I cannot imagine any valid reason. Bakit hindi mo kausapin yung chief PNP na nasa cellphone? Kahit sino pa yan, kahit demonyo pa yung may hawak na cellphone. Pag sabing chief PNP, magkapakapa ako na kausapin. Yes, sir. Kausapin ko. Bakit hindi nyo kinausap yung boss ninyo?